Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make this pop-out effect in Photoshop. Let's start. Select Rectangle tool and choose white color. And draw a rectangle. Right-click and select Perspective. Right-click and transform. Open Layer panel and copy the shape layer. Right-click and select Wrap. Rasterize layer and go select Blur and Gaussian blur. Insert your image. Adjust image accordingly. Right-click on image layer and create clipping mask. Press Ctrl+J to copy layer. Select subject using Object Selection tool. And create mask. Go to Blend option and add stroke. Use this settings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.